everyone, welcome to today's video. Today I'm really excited. We're opening up WEvolve, the Esoteric bi-monthly box. So you might recall that last month I opened up their Wisdom Keepers book subscription. So they alternate every other month. Both are bi-monthly and I love it. I will do my best to remember to link that other video on the Wisdom Keepers box by WEvolve down below in the description. You can always just browse my page or search through my page too to find any specific boxes, just FYI. But yeah, this one is all about esoteric stuff, which I love, mystical, spiritual things, and I've been loving the subscription. I took a little break from it for money reasons, not because I don't like it, and I'm so happy to have these back. I haven't peeked what's inside this one yet. Cover up my... But I know there's plants in it, and oh my god, it mentions Mercury. Let me see. Let me read to you what it says. Sorry I'm late. Mercury is drinking Gatorade. But good news, you guys. Mercury stationed direct this morning. Woo! If you guys are familiar with astrology, Mercury retrograde is just, known for like tech issues, driving issues, transportation, speaking, there's a lot of stuff that goes into it, but it's over, which is amazing. And speaking of Mercury retrograde, if you guys don't know, I am in astrology school. I'm in the Cosmic Academy of Astrology, and I'm actually graduating soon in March, and the doors are opening in February for the next year's students. If you guys are interested in learning astrology, please let me know. I'll probably post about this again, but since I'm going to be a graduate, I'm getting like a special code to share with my friends and family who want to learn astrology, either just to really recharge for yourself or for your friends and loved ones, or to be professional. I highly, highly recommend it. I can speak from experience. I can answer your questions. But yeah, DM me, email me, whatever. Leave a comment if you're interested or know someone who's interested in learning astrology. Didn't mean to like plug that now, but since we brought up Mercury retrograde, I thought I would let you guys know. But let's get back to the box. So I will link them down below. I get mine through Cratejoy, and I get it myself. So I do pay for it myself. This one is $49.95 or $49.99 every other month. There is a code on Cratejoy. I believe it's Mystic in all caps. I'll link Cratejoy's page down below, and you'll see it there. So you get a special discount your first box. And I think that's everything. Let's get this open. Emmy's awake. She just ate her lunch and her probiotic. You did such a good job, Emmy. She's headed this way now for those who like to see Emmy. Take this up good. But yeah, I got this late last night when I checked my mailbox. I saw there's live plants. I'm like, should I open it now? I'm like, okay, I think they'll probably be okay till the morning. So let's see. One moment. Emmy, come here. I have or I did. It's not on anymore. I had cat TV on. Emmy loves to watch cat TV. If you guys have cats, do they watch TV? There's like specific videos you can get for your cats, or like on YouTube, that are like birds and squirrels and stuff. She loves it. Okay, got it. So I open it. This is what it looks like. Ooh, I'm loving the green. I am grounded into Gaia. I love it. Whoa, this box looks like it is packed with stuff. The theme this box is elemental earth magic. Yes, I'm so excited. Oh my god, there's so much in here. But let's just read the little description of what this is all about, and then we'll get into the items. Oh, cool. Welcome to the first box of our elemental magic series. That's so exciting. I'm so glad I didn't miss any. Elemental magic refers to the use of the elements earth, air, fire, and water in magical practices. Come here, Emmy. There she is. You see? Here. Sorry. Each piece of the series will give you an opportunity to focus on a particular element, not only for manifestation or spell work, but also for connection and reverence for each element. As we work this month with elemental earth magic, focus upon grounding into the crystalline grid of the 5D earth. During this time of ascension, as you connect to 5D Mama Gaia, she will help you find rootedness during times of change, encourage the nurturing of self, and increase your ability to receive. I'm so excited. So there's a bunch of stuff in there, and then there's this information. Can I show you how beautiful all of this looks? I even have green, like, swiggly things. Oh, I see. Okay, so first thing on top, love this. Love information sheets, love learning. You can put this in your book of shares or grimoire if you have that. So it talks all about the earth element, of course. Grounding, stability, growth, and nurturing are the keywords for earth. And it talks about zodiac signs, planets, plants, ways to connect, type of rituals. This is awesome. There's a lot of information here. I want to just read it all to you, but I know that might be a little unnecessary or wanted from all of you. I'm curious though, if you guys know, what is your sun, moon, and rising sign? 2 of my 3 are earth signs. I'm 2 of my main 3. I've got other earth too. I'm a Taurus sun, a Capricorn moon, so those are 2 earth signs, and then I'm a Sagittarius rising, which is a fire sign. Oh, and it even talks about goddesses and gods and tools, creatures, colors, direction. There's so much stuff here. This is awesome. I love this, that they included that. So let's get started. So one item here, I recognize this. I think I have this. Oh yeah, it's over there, but I don't mind. I can totally use more. So this is a triple goddess little like thing. What would you call this? I put candles on it, or I just leave it on one of my altars. I do have 3 altars going, kind of 4, so I could totally use this again. This is super cute. I can't remember where I got it last. Was it like a spiritual goodies box? Let's see. Spiral Goddess metal altar tile. The Spiral Goddess, oh, is that what this is called? I call it Triple Goddess, excuse me. But anyways, the Spiral Goddess is one of the symbols of Gaia. She represents the divine feminine power of creation and limitless expansion. Gaia, Mother Earth, I honor your ancestral energy and I honor your roots. Please anchor me as I connect with you. I honor your nurturing energy and feel your gifts all around me. I harvest them with gratitude and loving awareness. Please bless my life with your magic, your energy, and your precious gifts. So be it, and so it is. I love that they just had that little incantation there. Words for Gaia. This is beautiful. And then next up, incense. Oh my god, I love incense so much. I like to light incense. I don't light every morning for my ancestors. I do leave them. I have an ancestor altar right here. That's what I'm looking at. But I do sometimes do, but I always bring them like coffee or tea, whatever I'm drinking in the morning, and then I light a candle on this altar. But I do like to incorporate that just for myself too. I just like throughout the day. I love incense, and this is forest, an interesting mix of woody, mossy scents. Hem's forest incense recreates for you the leafy freshness of nature. That makes me silly. I like this brand too. This is Hem. I get these from my local esoteric or metaphysical shop. Ooh, this smells very earthy, which you would like expect from forest. Oh, this is perfect scent to go with this box. But let's see what's next. I want to know what plant's in here. Is this the plant? Probably not. I don't know. Let's see what's in this little guy here. That's it. Sorry, it's really wrapped up. What's in there? It is. It's a little succulent. Aww. Wow, is that pyrite on there? At first I thought something spilled out, but I think that's some pyrite. Cool. Look at this baby succulent. Oh, you did such a good job with your travel. I can't help it. I talked to Oh. I just got a basil plant yesterday, and now you're my newest one. So cool. That's so cool. Is it? Let's see what the name of this is. Oh my god, I love that we got a plant in the elemental earth box. Totally makes sense, right? Succulent from Plante, in Louisville, Colorado. Trevor, owner of Plant, is Louisville, Colorado, is a lovely human, and dare we say, a green witch. He handpicked these lovely little succulents for you. He recommends that you water them once every 2 to 4 weeks during cold seasons and once a week in the summer. If you have questions, you can message him on IG at Plant House Plants or give him some love with a story shout out. I love that. Does it talk about what it comes in? Oh, hi, Emmy. Emmy is right under the camera. I can't do it. It doesn't talk about the little carrier, little pot it's in. But that looks like pyrite to me. And yeah, that's perfect for elemental earth too, because it's like bringing in material abundance and stuff. Yes. Oh my, I love it so much. Emmy, what do you think? Emmy, come here. People want to see you. Sorry. She just knocked over my new plant. What should I name him? Oops, a little bit of the dirt came out. It's okay. It's okay. She didn't mean to. Okay. Oh my god, look at the next item. It's in this cute little box of the world. Where did she go? Green aventurine. I love it. This is a great stone for abundance as well. And the green color, you can pretty much see, like, if there's stones that are green, they're typically associated with earth, heart chakra, and abundance. But let's see what they say about green aventurine. A little bit of earth magic to use during meditation or to bring with you to carry about your day. Green aventurine is known as a stone of opportunity and is a perfect stone for use for prosperity manifestation practices, as winter is the perfect time for setting intentions for abundance. Yes, I have a few, but I love green aventurine. I have them like all over. This is so good with the theme. And what a cute little box they come in. Yeah, we still have decent little stuff here. Oh! Sheet about pyrite. They do tell us about it. Pyrite is a stone of protection as well as prosperity and aids in cultivating personal power. It is an abundant stone and aids in boosting your powers of manifestation. Yes, I love that. And I'm glad they included information for those that aren't familiar with pyrite. And I love that. So let's see what we have next. A deck. Oh my God, yes. Oh, I know the name of this. The Elemental Oracle by Stacy DeMarco. Alchemy, Science, Magic. Those are like 3 of my favorite things. Oh my God, I'm so excited, you guys. So, if you didn't know, which I feel like you guys probably do, unless this is your first time here, welcome, honey. But I have a second channel, Kitty Outside the Box, where I do mostly tarot readings and soon to be more astrology content and stuff like that too. So yeah, check it out. I'll link it down below if you're into that, but I will do a full deck flip through over there. I love doing that. Kind of because I know like not everyone here wants to see every single card. That'll make the video super long. And also just to bring you over there and maybe you can get a feel of what tarot is all about and stuff like that. Let's see my other channel, but I thought I just used the scissors to open it or get the tape off. Let's see. I'm so excited. I didn't expect this. The Elemental artwork, so it's by Stacy DeMarco, artwork by Kinga Frischke. Sorry if I'm saying that wrong. It says, what better way to begin our elemental magic series than by giving you an oracle, or giving you oracle cards. I can't speak today, sorry, or read. It's based upon the elements. These gorgeous oracle cards give detailed imagery from which to derive additional information by noting what your eye falls upon. You might find it helpful to pull a card for each month or each season as you see fit. I'm just playing. Oh my God, this is so awesome. This is by Rockpool. Well, I'll get into all the details. So I love how this looks. This is so fun. This looks, I must have seen this on someone else's channel before. So this is what the backs of the cards look like. And again, full flip through will be linked below. I'll put it out at the same time as this video. Here, I'll just go a few there. They're shiny. Let's just look at this. So I love it. Okay, so they have keywords and then like title words. Is that how you'd say it? So desert, and that says solitariness. Solitariness? Like, I never said that before. Like solitude, but solitariness? I don't know. And then north says expansion. Let's look at one more. And then we have purity, ice. These look so cool. They have, okay, all of them have that same symbol. Marine life. Ooh, I love this card. Richness. Storms, cleansing. Oh, this is going to be good. So how many cards are in there? What does it say on the back? 44 cards. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to go through that. I'll film that next. But that is so awesome. Oh, it does say something. Crystal adorned pot by WEvolve box. We hand adorned your little succulent pot for your earth magic altar or any kind of sacred space. Crystals are connected to the earth element, yeah, and are a perfect way to connect to the beauty and magic of Gaia. We allowed Spirit to choose which crystal type you received. I'm super happy with what I received. Yay! And I think that's everything. Oh, I thought I saw something. That is, yeah, so I love the green stuff. What do you call these? I call them swigglies, but I don't know. But that was everything, you guys. I loved it. Let me know your thoughts. I'm so happy this is back in my life, and I'm so happy to be part of like the elemental series. I love that they started with Earth. This is super exciting. Earth is associated with the winter time because like if you're like a tarot reader or just follow any of this, like you can like the pentacles would be earth element, and that is associated with winter. But yeah, I'm super excited. Oh, it says it on here, doesn't it? It says season. It gives you so much information on this grimoire page. That is so cool. I'm super excited. I'm gonna read this, play with my new things, talk to my new plant. And again, look out for that link down below if you want to see the full flip through. Got it. I'm really excited. I think when I'm really excited, that's when I stumble my words the most. But yeah, that's it for today, guys. Let me know your thoughts. Again, I'll link them down below if you're interested in subscribing. And speaking of subscribing, if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel and you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. That would make my day. And it makes my day just that you're here watching. I love you guys so much. I hope you know that. But yeah, subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and I will see you tomorrow. I love you. Bye.